Oh, what's up, coders out there? S2 here. About to do a little personal challenge thing that I just thought would be fun. I'm gonna speed run creating my own list data structure in Python. So to do that, we're gonna create a node. We're gonna create the list structure. We're gonna initialize a list. We're gonna add some data to it, and then we're gonna print it off. So let's go ahead and do this. So this is all live, typing it out, not copying and pasting stuff. So let's see how this goes. Oh man, I'm already choking. We need anything in there, but we do need pointers. Do we need a next here? No, we don't need a no, we normally use a size. I don't think that matters though. What do we need to do for adding data? We create a node. I'm struggling, y'all. Then we need to point the current node to this one. That all seems right. And then we increment our size. Normally you can do a peak function. This is going to affect the speed run. And this will just basically be a traversal over our data. Alright, this should be it. We'll run this in the Python file. Basically my thing isn't working, so I think we just run it this way. Python was not found. From tables import test. Oh, it auto imported something. That's why it's not working. Crap, guys. And this basically just crushed the speed run. So that's how fast we can debug things. It only printed 4, so it's not actually printing all. Maybe it's not making the right pointer here. Right. Right there. So our add data function was a little wrong, but you can see we added a 4, 8, 12. We printed all, and then we got 4, 8, 12. Just to show this a little more clear, we do this. Add a little tracing. Alright, so you can see print all, printing next node 4, printing next node 8, printing next node 12. Cool. So basically, that is how you make a list in 5 minutes and debug your list in 5 minutes when friggin' Visual Studio Code tries to auto-import things and you forget to update your current node pointer. But that was fun. Maybe I'll do this again in a few weeks or a month or whatever long, and try to see how long you can actually get it down. Maybe just completely code one up in 1 minute and get rid of some of the things, because we're not actually using the size. Maybe we don't need it, but either way, this too. Wrong Python Dev. See you guys. Bye.